Hello and welcome to my listing at 11285 Homestead Lane in beautiful Flagstaff, Arizona. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with an office. It's a little over 3,200 square feet on a little over an acre. Now you can have horses on this acre. I believe it's up to 3 horses, but you definitely need to double check that. And there's no HOA here as well. This is a wonderful home. It has been fully remodeled from top to bottom, so let's go in and take a look. Downstairs is where we will find the laundry room. It's pretty convenient. And downstairs is a full area where you could have maybe a mother-in-law suite. There's an office down here. You can make it a man cave area, or it's just a nice area for guests that may be coming to visit. We do have a bedroom here. A full living area, including a gas fireplace, help with a little extra heat in the winter, although it does have a full furnace. You'll see vents in the roof there, in the ceiling. Here is what could be the office, or maybe even just a gaming room. Technically, you could make it another bedroom. And its own bathroom down here as well. Now, all the bathrooms have been fully gutted and redone, so everything is new. Both the exterior and interior do have new paint, new fixtures, new flooring. This flooring is actually a LifeProof vinyl plank flooring, mold resistant, scratch resistant. It's great flooring. And you could kind of divide those two areas off with that doorway over there, add a door, maybe a little kitchenette, and then be fully functional downstairs. Here's the garage, 2-car garage, although technically you could fit 4 cars in here. And let's go upstairs and take a look around there. Here is the main living area. It is quite spacious. And this area does flow into the kitchen. The kitchen was also remodeled, all new appliances, including a double oven, an electric cooktop, granite countertops. And here we come into a sunroom. Now, if you are an avid gardener, this is the perfect room for you. It gets a ton of natural light. It'd be perfect for a garden area. Then we come outside onto the deck with gorgeous mountain views. This is a great view of the mountains. And this deck is quite spacious. It's perfect for outdoor entertaining. Like I said, we are a little bit over an acre. We've got plenty of distance from your neighbors, lots of room to roam around. We do have a large pantry here, walk-in pantry, as well as some extra storage space, or perhaps maybe a little office. It could be something different. And as we go down the hall, you do have the first bedroom on the left. Another bedroom here. And across from these bedrooms is the bathroom. And at the end of the hall is the primary master suite. This is a quite spacious bedroom. I hope you have a lot of furniture. Good size walk-in closet. And the bathroom here as well. Again, all the bathrooms were fully redone. This is a brand new walk-in shower and dual vanity sink. Dual sink vanity. And a little extra alcove in the back there for some extra storage space. One thing I do love about this bedroom is there is its own little porch area here, so you can come out here, have some coffee in the morning, or just, come out and see the stars before going to bed at night. Just hang out. Beautiful views. And this concludes our tour of 11285 Homestead Lane. If you are interested in taking a look at this property, just give me a call. Let me know. If this is not the perfect property for you, I'd be happy to help you find that perfect property. I can keep you updated with listings, answer any real estate questions you have, and just walk you through the entire buying process. Make it as smooth and stress-free as possible. Hook you up with lenders, inspectors, all the good stuff. So give me a call. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you have a most wonderful day.